You know that feeling when you open a chocolate and you say to yourself, I only have one piece, and the next moment the chocolate is gone? Or you eat a meal and halfway through you're stuffed, but your brain is like, must finish it. And you do, and you hate yourself. Or when we tell ourselves that we'll only watch one episode of our favorite show, and after few episodes we're like, just one more. And it's 3 AM in the morning. The same happens with books. I'll only finish this chapter. And you do, and you start the next one, and the book is gone. Well, this, my friend, is the Zeigarnik effect in action. If you are a super ambitious person, willing to learn, grow and improve, consider subscribing. The Zeigarnik effect says that our brain remembers uncompleted or interrupted tasks much better than completed ones. We have a need for closure and finishing things up. It was discovered by the Russian psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik in quite an interesting way. She was amazed by the superhuman memory of the waiter that served them in a restaurant. He was taking orders without any notes, but when she came back in the restaurant few minutes later to take what she forgot, she was amazed that the waiter had no clue who she is, let alone where she sat. She found this very odd and did a lot of experiments on this subject. Another example of the Zeigarnik effect are the partial headlines on all kinds of posts that make you click so you can finish the sentence. The cliffhangers in shows or books are doing the same. And believe it or not, that annoying song stuck in your head is caused by this effect. And you can remove it by listening the whole song and giving your brain the wanted closure. Use it to beat procrastination. Just start. I'm currently using this effect for creating YouTube videos. I just start writing a part of the script and I leave it. And my brain wants to finish it. And I came back working on it. A great way to trick yourself to get something done is to say that you'll work on it for only a minute. Once you get going, it will be much easier to complete it. I have a whole series of productivity videos like this, so make sure you check it out. The negative effects it can produce. The more open loops or unfinished tasks we have in our minds, the more our willpower is depleted. If you have a lot, well, you can get tired the first hour after waking up. It's difficult to move forward when we have unresolved issues. GTD is a great method to help you here. I'll do a whole video on this topic, so wait for it. You've certainly had a moment in your life when you was like, I don't care about the outcome, I just want this over. Most common example here are the exams for which you study with days. You are sick of it and you just want it to be over.